How to fix a GTA 5 FPS drop on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix your GTA 5 FPS drop. So if you're also facing such problem where your FPS is very low on your GTA 5 games or any other games, so first thing what you want to do is just open up your graphics settings from the menu button over here, and once you open your graphics settings, just tap on this browse option. As you can see, I've already added other games as well. So just tap on this browse option and simply locate your games, that is your GTA 5 games. So I'll simply select my game over here. That is, in this example, I'll be showing you about GTA 4. So if you have GTA 5, you can do the same process and simply tap on this add button over here, and just like this, click on option and make sure you have selected this high performance and click on save. So what it does is it will basically use your graphic cards if you have one on your laptop. For example, in this case, I have AMD graphic card, and once you select it, it will use your graphic card instead of your default Intel graphic card, and which will help in the boosting of FPS. And another thing what you can also do is whenever you are running any games, so first thing, just come back to your desktop and simply come over to this task manager option over here taskbar, and simply right click and head over to your task manager. And let's say currently I'm not running GTA 5, but let's say this is a GTA 5 over here. So let's say this is my GTA 5 application, and what you need to do is whenever you are running GTA 5, just come over to this task manager and simply right click on the game.exe file and simply head over to its go to details option over here, and it will take you to this details version. And once you set here, just make sure you have selected the gta5.exe file and simply right click on it and click on it set priority and set the priority to high. And once you set the priority to high, just open the game and your FPS should be boosted just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.